My life is all over because of you. My life is done because of you. I'm sorry, man. I'ma miss you though. I'ma miss you though. Trust me.
Yeah, ay, yeah, ay, yeah, ay, yeah, ay, yeah, ay, yeah. Taking a drive down Avenue, riding my crew, going down Avenue.
Yo, what it is, what it do, homies and homats? It's your boy RC here. Get ready to get into this video by SavvyJoe. Now, it's been a minute since I reacted to this guy, but we're getting ready to get into this video by him called Why I Don't Let People Drive My Car. Let's go ahead and hop into the video right now. Let's hop into it. I like that. I love the intro. There's something in the intro I love.
The mailbox and you got some mail. Yeah, it's probably some junk mail or some credit card stuff, cause you know your boy got A1 credit. Go ahead and just throw it out. Nah, fam. This says the Texas Department of Safety. That's a red light camera ticket. Red light.
Yo. Why you don't let people drive your car? This is one of the reasons right here. No. And then look.
Man, you sure you didn't run no red lights when I let you use my car that one time? Nah, not that I know of. Man, I hope not. If I get one more ticket, I get 10 years in prison. 10 years?
Whoa!
I'm on probation. I think it one more
Wait,
time.
what? Really?
These tickets, right? Well, look, it says right here, there's video footage of the incident happening. So I'm about to go watch it so I can.
Shit.
Yep.
Run that red light, but it wasn't that bad though, was it?
It was bad.
Before he watched it.
Nah, that's not necessary. You ain't gotta watch it. Nah, we need to see this because I ain't going to prison.
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. And play.
And whoa!
It was you. Okay, look. Play.
That was, yeah. That's awful.
Nigga, it was you. Okay, look, I totally forgot about that part right there. I totally forgot. Man, I can't dispute this. You gotta tell the police you were the one driving. What? I'm not turning myself in for something like that, man. That's your car, not my car. Oh my
What?
God. I'm do 10 years because of you. That's not my fault. You let me drive. Open the door, police. Oh my God,
What a loyal friend that guy is, right? Oh my gosh, bro. I'm telling you, you know, this is why you don't let people know. No. Bro.
my life is all over because of you. My life is done because of you. I'm sorry, man. I'ma miss you though. Trust me. I'ma put money in your books. I got you.
Wow. That was funny. That was funny. I definitely enjoyed that video. That was entertaining. That's why you don't let people drive your car. You know, at first I thought that was my door for a second until you know, because I'm expecting Domino's, but I thought that was my door for a second. But I enjoyed that video. It's funny, entertaining. I need to start checking out his videos more. I mean, I think this is like one of the first times he's uploading in like a month or two, maybe. But I'm gonna definitely be on the lookout for more of his videos. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.